guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today's a sad day. Unfortunately, follow me down. This bee has died. And I love nature and I love bees, and I think it deserves an appropriate burial. So we're gonna get it in here. I'm gonna cover it up.
In the arms of an angel.
Would you like to say any words, Carlos?
He was that bee. He told you to be the best you can be while being a good being.
Follow me.
What?
He deserves the last flower to pollinate and bee heaven.
I hope there's no bee in
So
there.
we're going to get him just a little tiny one.
Oh, we're going back.
We're going back.
A lot of bee words. Forever in our hearts.
All right, we're back from Rachel's burial bee services, or bee burial services. Now we're going to the magical staircase. Look at this beautiful creek. Beautiful. Oh, the bridge shakes a little, Carlos. This is beautiful, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Here. Come here. Come here, squirrely. Why is it over? No! There's a person running. I'll come back for you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, come here. He's thinking about it. Come to me. Come. Here, I have an acorn for you. See? Here. Here. Oh, damn it, there's a dog coming. I just want to give him an acorn. And there he is in all his glory. Beautiful. All right, guys. We're back on my vlog on our nature walk, and today we're going down to the creek. Glass. A seashell? Oh my gosh, this nature walk is so perfect. Wow, good job. Okay, let's see what other stuff we can find. We'll keep you guys updated. All right, Carlos, on this journey, it is time to cross the bridge. Is this a terrible idea? You can do it. It's not hard. You won't slip and fall. Just be mindful. Yeah. And just take that foot. Aww.
Are you getting back?
Yeah, we have to do it again. It's recording this time. Okay. Come see us now. Second time together. We're in the creek, guys. Carlos. Oh, guess what? We're screwed. All right, everybody. We're back in Rachel's vlog early in the morning. This time I got my brother Wade with me. That trail, I think, made it to this yesterday. You can keep walking. I went up this little trail yesterday, but I didn't go all the way, and I really, really wanted to.
Watch out for pokies.
Watch out for pokies?
Just in case.
I regret this decision already. I really wanted to do this, and so I asked Wade to come with me. And here we are walking through the wilderness, going on this trail. I'll update you here shortly. Guys, good fuck. We scared it. But it was a little buck. That was cool. Oh, it's a nature walk again. I wish I had my camera. All right, guys, we're reaching the peak. Don't look over there where there's paved roads. We're reaching the peak. What is this? What have we come to? It's the secret garden. It's Narnia. It's something. I've never been here before. I'm dying here. Holy shiitake. What is this? It's a circle. The aliens have been here. All right, guys. You only find the finest things in the Huntington Wild. I present to you Wild Papa John's.
And alcohol.
And alcohol. There's literally a trash can right fucking there. Like, are you kidding me, guys? You couldn't.
They didn't eat the peppers.
I'll give you $10 if you eat a pepper.
No thanks.
Come on.
I'm okay.
I guess we'll pick this up. Me and Wade have good karma today. We're it dumped on him.
That was the alcohol.
Ew. All right. We're gonna get our good karma today, boys. No one's gonna stop us. I hate it here.
We can walk down Taco Fest. That sounds fun. Oh, that happened
You missed it.
in May.
I've never been to a taco fest. We do have to pick up this litter, though. Oh my god, it's absolutely engulfed by ants.
And a yellow jacket.
And a yellow jacket. Dang it. I really want to get it.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry.
But it needs picked up. It's litter! Somebody did it, and the trash can's right here. It's gone, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What? Holy shit. Look at all the...
dog. Sorry.
No, sorry. The litter is picked up.
That squirrel's crossing the creek.
What's that?
Oh no.
Look at the squirrel. It's crossing the creek. Oh.
He decided not to.
Never mind. He hates us. Bye, squirrel.
Who else plays today?
Jump out and scare him.
Don't jump out and scare him. I really want to grab him, but there's always people walking by.
I'm gonna grab them.
Not grab, but like coax them into being my friend. Hi. We're really close, guys. Oh, come on. Anybody else coming after? Holy shit. I'm scared of you guys, actually. Kind of psychotic. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. There's everywhere.
Rachel.
What? They want to so badly, and I also want them to so badly. Hi. We could really be friends. I don't judge squirrels. I'm really good to them, please. All right, we're trying
I
to.
see yellow jacket again.
We're trying to leave our little hike. And look at this. Look! Oh my god! It's right here. You are literally
That's ridiculous.
at the trash can. I don't get it. But we have to pick this up because it's just what we do. But there are yellow jackets around.
Like kind of everywhere.
Ah.
Yeah, I see like 4. I don't know about this one, Rach.
Oh god. Yeah, there's a bunch everywhere. We're gonna get